Let's be real. A family trip to Disney is a lot more expensive than it used to be. The ticket prices, the hotels, the food, it all adds up to a number that can feel completely out of reach for a normal family. It becomes one of those things you just dream about but never actually plan because the cost is just staggering. But what if I told you that you could pay for your entire Disney vacation, from park tickets to your hotel, using credit card points? And I'm not talking about some impossible to follow scheme. I'm talking about a real, actionable, step-by-step strategy. In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate tutorial for making that dream a reality without breaking the bank. After years of planning Disney trips using points, I'm going to show you exactly how to cover every major expense, turning what feels like a fantasy into your family's next vacation. The entire strategy revolves around two core concepts: earning massive welcome bonuses on new credit cards and using the right card for the right spending categories to maximize the points you earn on everyday purchases. This isn't about getting into debt. You're only spending your normal monthly household expenses. It's about being strategic. You'll pay your bills in full every month, just as you always do, but you'll be funneling your normal spending, groceries, gas, utilities, that morning coffee, through cards that will give you the most valuable points for a Disney trip. And here's a pro tip that accelerates everything: the Player 2 concept. If you have a spouse or partner, you can work together as a team. You can both apply for cards, pool your points, and essentially double the speed at which you can earn a free vacation. Player 1 can get a card, hit the minimum spend for the welcome bonus, and then Player 2 can do the same. So many of us in the points and miles world do this, and it's a game changer for families. No partner? No problem. You can still earn enough points for a free or low-cost Disney World vacation. The most important part of this strategy is choosing the right points. We're not talking about a cashback credit card. We're talking about flexible points ecosystems like Chase Ultimate Rewards, Capital One Venture Miles, American Express membership rewards, and co-branded credit cards. These are like the Swiss Army knives of the travel world because their points can be transferred to dozens of airline and hotel partners or used directly to book travel, giving you incredible flexibility and value. Step 1, conquering your accommodations. Okay, so let's talk hotels. This is often the biggest single expense of a Disney vacation, and it's where points can deliver some of the most spectacular savings. You have several amazing options for hotels, both on and off Disney property. Let's start with the absolute best options for staying right in the magic: the Walt Disney World Swan, Dolphin, and the newer Swan Reserve. These hotels are technically Marriott properties, which is fantastic news for us. This means you can book them with Marriott Bonvoy points. Stays can range from 40,000 to 75,000 points per night, sometimes more. What makes these hotels so special is their location. They are situated right between Epcot and Hollywood Studios, with boat transportation and walking paths to both parks. Plus, you get key perks like early theme park entry and access to extended evening hours, which are typically reserved for Disney's deluxe resort guests. Cards like the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless from Chase or the American Express Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant can help you rack up Bonvoy points quickly with their welcome offers. Another fantastic option, especially if you're a Chase Ultimate Rewards user, is the World of Hyatt program. You can transfer your Chase points directly to Hyatt and book hotels near Disney Springs. The Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress and the Hyatt Place Orlando/Lake Buena Vista are phenomenal choices. The Hyatt Place in particular can be a steal. While point values fluctuate, it often provides great value and includes free breakfast for the family, which really adds up. You might also be able to book a Category 4 Hyatt with a free night certificate that comes with the World of Hyatt credit card. If you're having trouble choosing a hotel, check out our Disney World Hotel database where you can filter through hotels close to Disney World, all available on points. Link is in the description. Step 2, making park tickets disappear. Park tickets are the next huge hurdle. They're expensive, and unlike hotels, there's no official Disney loyalty program for them. But don't worry, we have some clever workarounds that make covering this cost with points entirely possible. The number one method, and the one we recommend most, involves the Capital One Venture or American Express Gold cards. Here's the secret. If you buy your park tickets directly from Disney's website, your credit card charge will likely be coded as entertainment, not travel. This means you can't use Capital One's Cover Travel Purchases feature to erase the charge with your miles. But here's the trick. Buy your tickets from an authorized third-party seller called Undercover Tourist. They are a legitimate Disney-approved ticket vendor that often has slightly discounted prices. Crucially, many users report that purchases from Undercover Tourist code as travel, so you can buy your tickets on their site with your Venture X card, and then a few days later log into your Capital One account, find the charge, and apply your miles to wipe it off your statement. It's a fantastic workaround. The second method involves American Express membership rewards. American Express membership rewards can be used to buy Disney World park tickets through PayPal, though it's important to note that you cannot use points directly on the Disney World website. Disney doesn't accept Amex points as payment. Here are the actual way to use your Amex points for Disney tickets. Link your American Express card to PayPal and use American Express membership reward points at checkout when purchasing through third-party vendors like Undercover Tourist. This method often provides better ticket prices than Disney's official site while letting you use your points. Step 3. Flying your family for free. Now that we've covered the ground in Orlando, let's get you there. Flights can be another major expense, especially for a family. This is where transferable points truly shine. By moving your Chase, Amex, or Capital One points to an airline partner, you can book flights for pennies on the dollar. Another option is co-branded credit cards for the airline you're traveling with. Fan favorites are Southwest and JetBlue, as their co-branded credit cards have great sign-up bonuses and perks. For families, my go-to recommendation is often Southwest Airlines. Their Rapid Rewards program is a transfer partner of Chase Ultimate Rewards, making it incredibly easy to rack up points. You can often find flights to Orlando, MCO, for a very reasonable number of points, especially if you book in advance. Our recommendation? Get the co-branded credit card for the airline you would like to travel with and use Chase, Amex, or Capital One points to supplement any additional miles needed. I know this is a lot of information, but breaking it down step by step makes it manageable. It really is possible. So my question for you is, what would you do with the thousands of dollars you'd save on a Disney trip? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're finding this guide helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future money-saving travel guides. Also, check out our website for full guides on more savings at Disney World. So there you have it. A Disney vacation that once seemed like a far-off fantasy is now within your grasp. It's not about magic, it's about strategy. By leveraging credit card welcome bonuses, maximizing your spending, choosing the right hotel loyalty programs, and using clever tricks to cover your park tickets, you can dramatically reduce or even completely eliminate the cost of your trip. It takes a bit of planning and organization, but the payoff is creating those priceless family memories without the financial burden. The feeling of walking down Main Street, knowing your strategic planning made it happen for a fraction of the cost, is a magic all its own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.